Here, we will introduce the software configuration for motor control for the RX family. Please refer to the previous video for steps on importing sample programs using QE4Motor. If the target project is compatible with QE4Motor's software configuration feature, you can change the settings of each control parameter in the GUI block diagram and apply the changes to the source code. In this video, we are using the sample program RX26T encoder vector control of permanent magnet synchronous motor for MCK. Select the target project and click the Open Motor Control Software Configuration button to open the Motor Middleware Configurator view. Each setting item on the block diagram corresponds to a control parameter of motor control middleware. Clicking on a control block in the block diagram displays setting items in that block. When you change the values and click the Generate Code button, the settings will be output to the source code. In this way, if you need to change the control parameters, you can easily change the values on the GUI. You can complete the necessary subsequent development settings following the QE4Motor's workflow. Renesas Motor Workbench is available as a development tool for debugging, analyzing, and tuning motor control programs. For more details about QE4Motor, please visit the Renesas website.